network which transports nearly 3 crore passengers every day. More than 13,000 passenger trains, 8,000 freight trains crisscross this humongous network daily. Vande Bharat as its newest showpiece, setting the stage for the superfast bullet train expected to be launched in the next 2 years. But what the Railways Minister revealed in the Parliament is nothing less than shocking, that the Indian Railways is losing nearly 57,000 crore rupees every year on passenger services.
आज भारत सरकार रेलवे में पैसेंजर्स को अफोर्डेबल रखने के लिए 56,993 करोड़ रुपीस की सब्सिडी दे रही है। यानी अगर कोई पैसेंजर सर्विस को ऑपरेट करने की कॉस्ट 100 रुपये है तो उसमें टिकट का प्राइस मात्र 54 रुपये रखा गया, यानी 46% सब्सिडी सभी को दी जा रही है।
But what the figures also reveal is a fall in subsidy over the past few years. Indian Railways had discontinued concessions for senior citizens and women during COVID. Previously, male senior citizens aged 60 and above received a 40% discount, while female senior citizens aged 58 and above were entitled to a 50% discount. The revocation and other factors have led to a 7 percentage point fall in subsidies, with the total amount shrinking by nearly 3,000 crore rupees since 2019-2020. Some of the losses are being recouped via higher ticket pricing for the higher class, as well as dynamic pricing for premium trains like Shatabdi, Rajdhani and Vande Bharat. The passenger subsidies are also being funded in a large part by the freight operations of Indian Railways and the Government of India. In the current fiscal, according to budget estimates, the total revenue of Indian Railways is expected to be a little over 2.78 lakh crore rupees. Of this, 1.8 lakh crore is from freight operations and around 80,000 crore from passenger trains. Nearly an equivalent amount comes as budgetary support from the government and from extra budgetary resources. The passenger traffic losses have led to a major worry, that of the operating ratio of the Indian Railways being unrealistically high at 98.22%. This means that the Railways has to spend 98 rupees 22 paise to earn 100 rupees. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.